Another glitch in the timeline. Now, if y'all remember who this is the original Charlie from Charlie and the Chocolate Factory with the original golden ticket. Instead of chocolate, Charlie opens a moon pie. And now I know Debbie. I know her very well. And she ain't never had any of her snacks part of this franchise. You feel me? And to replace chocolate with moon pies is crazy. I don't remember no one eating moon pies like that. And if y'all like me, y'all remember Charlie opened a chocolate bar. Like, what are we talking about? Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The chocolate bar is how he got into all of this. Remember, he broke it off and shared it with both set of grandparents. And they was laid up in them beds. Y'all remember. We can't all be tripping. All right, instead of yapping, let me just play you the clip. And in case if you thought I was playing, movie night, let's go. Let's see that ticket. Look, same exact actors, same exact people. And that was our favorite grandpa. Y'all remember this? The moon pie. What? When did he ever have a moon pie in his hand, y'all? What? Like, what are they talking about? And look at this scene. So now this is a bar instead. Now I'll probably have some people in the comments be like, no, Cube, it was a moon pie at first and the second one was a bar. No, there was always a chocolate bar. That's what the company was about, and that's what it was known for. So don't even try to confuse me, y'all. A bunch of bots and agents in the comments be trying to tell you remember something different. Nope, I remember chocolate bar. Certain things we remember. Now, whether you believe in time shifts, Mandela effects, or some of y'all think that these companies go back and edit it and change it and distribute it again, but I don't think Disney changed anything. So just so you guys know, we're moving on to another timeline. So prepare yourself for another jump. You know, because like history moves in cycles, you feel me? And humanity is slowly but surely working its way back to a golden age. People's consciousness is growing and rising, frequency levels is changing, and people are starting to ask more deeper questions we should have been asking the whole time. And we just see the world differently than they seen it a few years ago. The veil is getting extremely thin between the physical and spiritual realm. Maybe that's why stories about mysterious creatures, unexplained entities, and ancient encounters seem to resonate with a lot of people. That's not by accident. Our ancestors had left by cave walls, scrolls, tablets, pyramids, hieroglyphs, petroglyphs, all with things they claim to witness that are beyond this realm or world. Whether those stories are symbolic or literal, somewhere between, y'all. They survived thousands and thousands of years for a reason. But one thing I do have to say is, I'm noticing people are starting to change. Just a few months ago, I just feel like I remember everybody carrying around something heavy. Some people were getting sick, even to the point they were in the hospitals. Some people were constantly tired and would stay home all the time and sleep all day and night. Others were just mentally exhausted. And for some like me, even our head was ringing at some point. Constantly, and I've never had my head ring in life. Something is changing, y'all. And this time it's for the good. A lot of people were talking about, moving away from old friendships, relationships, and just environments that no longer felt right. It became harder to entertain negativity. No matter how long you've known this person, a lot of people have been detaching from people they've known for almost their whole entire life, you feel me? Maybe you felt like this too. That's why it ended up in your FYP. Even if y'all can't explain it, it feels like something is shifting. It feels like something is changing. You know it, you feel it. Literally the Earth's gravitational pull, something is different. Y'all know it. So if this video found you today, I want you to know this. Things are about to get a lot better. Whatever you're going through today doesn't define you for tomorrow. Keep believing in yourself. Be kind to others. I don't know why that's so hard for some of y'all. But always respect yourself first, you understand? Protect your peace. Chase your goals. Build the life you want. Love your family. Love your friends. Most importantly, don't stop moving forward. pray, have faith. But remember, faith without no action will not change your life. Do the work, meet God halfway, and keep planting those seeds, y'all. You can get exactly the future you're asking for. If this video showed up on your page, comment "I'm ready for my next chapter" to let the universe know you are ready for this next big timeline jump. I want to know who's chasing growth, who's chasing peace, and moving forward in a positivity. You feel me? And of course, nobody's perfect. With yin must come yang. That's balance. So maybe you got cussed your kids out this morning, and then you praying at night. It's perfectly fine. That's balance. I'm Cube of Lore to be exact, Mr. Forbidden Lore himself, Mr. Storytime himself. If you like content like this, you want to stay inside the algorithm, don't forget to engage in the bottom up. Y'all already know, repost, save, comment, and like. And of course, follow me. Some of y'all was up here the whole time and watching this video and didn't even click follow. It's wild. And if you've seen this from the of the tube, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe up. I greatly appreciate it. Y'all too, y'all not gonna tell me you don't got YouTube. Lily comes on everybody's phone. Stop playing with me. Go over there and subscribe, y'all. I need all the support and help I could get. Dang. Don't forget my Dark Fantasy Ancestral Shadows, which will reveal a lot of what's going on and what's about to happen. Yeah, it'll be dropping soon, so keep out a lookout for that. And put on all my noties. Notifications gotta be on. I'm a paranormal creator. I constantly get shadow banned, y'all. If you haven't seen me on your timeline, that's probably why. Don't forget to follow me across all social platforms. That's all of them. So don't be in my comments, y'all. Oh, Cube, you on FBIG? I said all. Forbidden Lore Season 2 is coming to an end, but that's alright. Forbidden Lore Season 3 is starting at the end of August, and we are Forbidden Lore Season 3, the podcast. So get ready for some paranormal topics, some great stories, and some questions from my supporters. And don't forget, y'all, I live stream daily on the Purple app. Link is right in bio. Twitch, Cube Oxley. Same thing across all platforms. CUBEOXLEY. And for FB, that's CUBY. I'm excited to see what y'all think in the comments. I love y'all. I appreciate y'all. And I'm gonna call y'all back later. Peace. Ashe. Y'all be careful because it's real quiet on the creek.